2025 Honda S2000 is back, and it's more thrilling than ever. After years of speculation, Honda has finally revived its legendary roadster, blending the nostalgia of the original with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC engine roars to life, producing an impressive 330 horsepower. This lightweight machine is designed for pure driving pleasure, with a rear-wheel drive layout and a 6-speed manual transmission that keeps the spirit of the original alive. The aggressive aerodynamic design, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines make it clear that the new S2000 is built to dominate both the streets and the track. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that seamlessly merges sportiness with modern luxury. Premium Alcantara and carbon fiber accents create a high-end feel, while the digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system bring it into the modern era. The bucket-style seats provide exceptional support, ensuring comfort even during high-speed cornering. Honda has also integrated the latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a performance-oriented traction control system. Every detail inside the S2000 is designed to enhance the driving experience, from the precise steering wheel to the short throw shifter that begs to be pushed to the limit. On the road, the 2025 Honda S2000 delivers an exhilarating performance that makes every drive unforgettable. The lightweight chassis, paired with a perfectly balanced 50/50 weight distribution, allows for razor-sharp handling and impressive agility. The turbocharged engine provides instant acceleration, pushing the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. The suspension is tuned for both comfort and performance, ensuring a smooth ride without compromising on road feedback. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the S2000 remains planted and responsive, offering a connection between driver and machine that few cars can match. The return of the Honda S2000 is a dream come true for enthusiasts who have longed for the perfect blend of power, precision, and style. Honda has successfully resurrected an icon while embracing modern advancements that elevate the driving experience. With its bold design, high-revving turbocharged engine, and an interior built for both comfort and control, the 2025 S2000 is a true masterpiece. This is more than just a car, it's a statement of Honda's dedication to performance and driving passion. Whether you're a longtime S2000 fan or discovering it for the first time, one thing is certain, the legend is back, and it's better than ever.